Hi, I'm making a quick screencast about how to use Kami. It's a PDF editing program that has now been whitelisted by Centennial School District. So teachers will need to add this to, as an extension. Students who are working on non-district devices will also need to add it, but it's been pushed out to all student Chromebooks. So if you haven't added Kami yet, I recommend that you give this a shot and see how it works. You're going to hit the Kami extension, which you search for in the Chrome Web Store, and then add it to Chrome. I currently already have it installed, and it shows up as this little icon up here. So when you're ready to start working in Kami, and again, this is a PDF editor, so make sure that you already have a PDF in mind as you start working. It will take you to the Kami website. Sign in with Google, and then log in with your CSD account. And now you're going to have some options of how to work with different PDFs. So if you have them saved in Google Drive, you can find them there. If you have them downloaded onto your computer, you can use them there. The new blank page option is useful, and I'll talk a little bit later about how to do that. There is a Kami integration with Google Classroom, and you can activate a 30-day free trial, but just realize that this will go away after 30 days because we're working with the free version right now. But let's go ahead and see how this can work. So I have a PDF ready to go that I've downloaded onto my desktop. I'm going to find that here. And now when it opens in Kami, I can start to manipulate it. So actually some of the things I was already doing are still showing. So it will save the work that you do. You'll be able to add text. You'll be able to do highlighting. So if there's something in the lesson that you want students to keep track of and highlight, they can do that. So this can be a way of working with sort of fill in the blank notes or interacting with an image that they see. And notice that there's a number of things you'll be able to do. You can comment on the text, add text boxes. You can use the drawing tool and then just sort of draw things that are in here. You can create shapes and erase. The paid version has a lot of cool upgrades, but just the free version is going to allow you to do a lot of really nice stuff when you're interacting with your PDFs. And then you have a lot of viewing options, so you can view 2 pages at a time. This also allows for split and merging of different PDFs. So play around in here and look at all the different things that are possible. When you're done making changes and annotations, you can do a save to your Google Drive. You can also share your document, but first start uploading it to Google Drive before you do that. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is that Kami has whiteboard capabilities. So let's go back here. I'm gonna hit sign in again. There's probably a faster way to do this. But I want to get back to this menu, and I want to show you that if you select the new blank page option, and now you go to your drawing tools, then you can just start writing straight onto here. And as you write things as, let's say, kids or you are working on a math problem, then you can save it, you can download the work. It can be a way of capturing what you're doing in a whiteboard environment. All right, I hope that this is looking potentially useful to you, and it's something that you could start explaining to students about how to use it and think of some great applications. If you do think of great applications, by the way, try to get the word out of how you've been using it to other people in your building and across our district. All right, thanks, bye.